and this is it. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the new here, I'm Jaya, and this channel is all about beauty, which I include like makeup tutorial, and also I am reviewing beauty products that are like very affordable, and also to find a store where we can buy such affordable beauty products. Also, I am sharing my lifestyle through random vlogs. So if you're interested in this stuff, please consider subscribing. So in today's video guys I am going to share to you my thoughts regarding this beauty product that I recently acquired from Colourpop. So here they are guys. First I have here eyeshadow palette, which is the Element of Surprise, that one. And also I have here the Supershock shadow, which is for the blush on. And also I have two lippies. One is for ultra metallic lip and the other is Luxe, Give Me Some Lip. So I can't wait to try them guys, because I have been watching a tutorial or reviews regarding Colourpop, and all they say is they are good. As you can see guys, I'm almost done with my face. Today I am going to try this palette and let's see if it's really good, because I have been hearing lots of good stuff regarding this palette, and also the Colourpop is very affordable beauty products, and so far their works has been acknowledged throughout the beauty industry. So I can't wait to try it guys. So let's start. And now let's have this, the eyeshadow. I think it is all the shades guys. They have like Feels, Late Night, Silk Street, Rayon, Go With The Flu, Subdue, Opulent, Labyrinth, Blank Canvas, Sea Stars, Details, Peace of Mind. I can't wait to try it guys, because from the name of the palette, Element of Surprise. So let's see if I'll get surprised with this palette. So their packaging guys is very cute. That's it. And there is like bags. Let's open this. Ooh, look at that. Wow. First impression guys, it's really cool. And here it goes. Ta-da! So it has 12 eyeshadow. It has some swatches in it. Okay. So for the first one, this is the Rayon. Okay, so it's kind of nothing.
Next is the Silk Street, this one. Okay. And the Late Night. Oh, that is pigmented. And the Feels, which is kind of shimmery. Oh, not bad.
It is Labyrinth. Here. And the Opulent. So some of the palettes guys are very pigmented. So I'm going to use the Labyrinth as a transition. Let's see if it has fallouts.
I just have to put it all over my eyelids. And I use this color for the outer eyelids. Just have to dab it and then spread it, creating a crease. And I will use the clean blending brush to blend out all the harshness. And I use this color to give some darker shade in this area. concentrating in this area to the inner part of my eyelids. And then just have to blend, blend, blend. And I just have to do the same in the other side of my eyes. And I will use this shade for the inner part of my eyelids. And I'm using this brush to apply it on there. Just press, and eventually I decided to use my finger to apply this that shade here, and I used the blending brush to clean all the edges. And this side using a smaller brush to create a highlight.
So I'm done with my eyeshadow, guys. It's kind of like frustrating because the eyeliner ruined my eyeshadow, but so far, guys, the eyeshadow is already blended and all over my eyes, so I have to do the lower. I am going to use, guys, the same color that I used at the upper side. It's kind of difficult if the eyeshadow that has no mirror, so I just wish that they include mirror in it.
So first I'm going to use the transition color using the smudger brush, and then goes to the darker and the darkest color, and then eventually use the clean blending brush to clean out all the harsh edges.
Okay, so that is, guys, I am already done with my eyes. So guys, I'm already done with my eyes, so I'll just have to put on falsies and I'll be back, okay? I'm almost done, guys. I just have to put a blush on and then a lipstick. So far, guys, this is my eyes, and I will tell you what's my thoughts are after all the makeup, okay? So just stay put and continue watching. Blush on, guys, I will use this one. It's part of our review today. So it has like it says, keep the magic in closed jar tightly after use. Put me on your face, and that's it. So let's see. It's very cute, guys. Look at that. So it's kind of cute. Just a small one, just like for eyeshadow, but it's not for eyeshadow. So let's swatch it. And this is it. Oh, that's very pigmented. Wow. I'm so nervous, guys, using this because it's so pigmented and I don't want to look like a clown, so let's try it. Wow, the packaging is very elegant. Look at that. See, it has like stars and it's like a rose gold, that one. And the shade is High Striker, so let's see. It has no scent, and that's it. That's what you get. So let's put it on. For the swatches, guys, it is. So that's the color of it. So this is the swatches, guys, of this lipiest. And so far it's kind of nice. Okay, so now my final thoughts. Before going further, guys, so this is the final looks that I have for this kind of for all the Colourpop products that I used. The eyeshadow, the blush, and the lipiest. So let's go to my final thoughts. Guys, is regarding this eyeshadow palette, I could say, guys, this has the element of surprise. So the pigment, guys, is very genuine, which is like whenever you put it in your eyes, you cannot feel the heaviness. So it's like very soft, and there's no fallout so far, and it's very blendable, guys. And I like the color because you can like I accidentally put lots of the eyeshadow, but I was able to blend it. So so far well, blending is the key, right? So I could say it's a yes for me, and I definitely use it again. So that's all. It's not that expensive, and also it's very pigmented, blendable, very soft, and there's no fallout, so it's not a waste of money. And aside from that, this one is very pigmented too, and I could say I was surprised by how it blended to my face, and it did not settle on my pores, and it's like it has this soft texture wherein it's like you're applying a lip tint or a cheek tint, but it's not liquid. So that's how it looks like in my face, and I'm just surprised, guys, because the blush on that I had tried before is that it will always settle on my pores, and then this one, it didn't settle at all. So it's like I am so surprised. By the way, excuse me for all the mess. And also for the lipstick, I can say that it has this like weird feeling wherein when you put this in your when you're applying it, you can feel something. It's hard to explain, but there's like I don't know. I don't know how to say it, but I could say that you can really feel something when you glide it on your in your lips. Maybe because I have a dry lips, or I just don't know. But so far, the color is very like dark red or something, and then it's very soft. It's not creamy. It's kind of a matte texture. So I just wish that it will color this thing here, because it's kind of, look at that. So you can still see that this part of my lips, the inner one, this one, this one won't color that part. So that's it. So far, guys, all in all, I like this product, and I will definitely use it again. And also, I can recommend this. So if you want to buy this kind of product, guys, I will link down in the description below their website or their link. Also, guys, they have an Instagram. Disclaimer, guys, all of these products are not sponsored, okay? So I personally buy it, and I just want to share to you guys how I like this product. So I haven't tried it before, so it's like my first impression, and so far I have a very nice impression because I like this product. And I didn't expect, guys, that I was able to play all of them, especially the eyeshadow, because it's kind of very pigmented, and I am not used to, you know, to do pigmented eyeshadow. But so that's all, guys. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope that somehow I was able to help you to determine or to find some products that are affordable but very useful, or that's worth the price. Okay, so comment down below, guys, what do you think. Tell me if you like this look. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click the thumbs up button below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.